Well, hello everybody and welcome. Today we're having a tour around Bonterra Park at Benicassim. It's supposed to be one of the best campsites in the whole of Spain. But first, while we're down by the dog washing facilities, let's give Pippin a bath. So here we are at the front entrance of Bonterra Park, and you can see the bar on the left and reception on the right. And right next to reception is the on-site laundry with ironing boards. You can get an iron from reception. They have a set of washing machines and some tumble dryers, and these all work really well. Also, just outside reception are a good set of notice boards with information about the local area and the on-site gym. There's also an on-site library and recreation room. There's places to post up your pictures from your craft efforts, a little children's play area for the smaller children that are on site, and a good set of books in different languages. There are also games and puzzles for you to make use of, and there's also toilet and washroom facilities within the library. There's also a small kitchen area with paintbrushes and paint pots and plates and cups and all sorts of bits and pieces on the shelves around. These are all for use in your craft work that you might want to do while you're on site. Coming out of reception and crossing the road by the entry and exit barriers, you'll find the on-site bar and restaurant. This is a really well kept and nice friendly place to meet up, have some fairly good food and some beer or wine. walk through the site, you'll notice how clean and well kept the whole place is. There are plenty of toilet, showers, washing up and laundry facilities all around the site. So if you have your own washing machine, your own portable washing machine, you can bring it to one of the I think about 6 toilet blocks and connect up to water and a waste pipe and the electric and run it from there. It's a super idea. More on the facilities at Bonterra Park in the next episode of our blog. Stay tuned for that. Bye bye for now.